So what advice would you give to someone living in a city without a garden? Do you have any tips for?
Yeah, for sure. Actually, I have a video on my membership platform called Grow, where I show people who are living in a city how to grow lettuces and herbs and just simple things. But really, even if you only have a window, if you can put a window box outside, you can easily grow your own lettuce. I have a whole tutorial on that online. And I mean, it's really not complicated, especially with the planting technique that I show you, which is called broadcast planting. I mean, it's really, a 2-year-old could do it. And I think for people living in a city like I did for many years in Copenhagen, I didn't even have a balcony, actually, just had a window. Just to be connected in some way to what you're eating, I think is really important. If you don't know a farmer, if you don't have a plot of land, just to have a window box where you can pick your own lettuce or your own basil or your own rosemary. There's something really empowering and inspiring about that in itself. And yeah,
Does a window box going to be inside, or does it have to be outside?
Has to be out. I mean, herbs, you can usually buy potted herbs and keep them on the windowsill for a little while, but things like lettuce really do need to be outdoors. They do best there.